Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram couldn't create thread on your phone. To know how to fix Instagram couldn't create thread on your phone, you should just go here to settings. As you see, you will click. After that, in this page you should to go to apps here, as you see, and when you will see this list you should to go down to Instagram like this. And after that, here in this page you will go to force stop. When you will click to force stop here, you will go to storage and you will click again. After that, here when you will find this page, you will go to clear cache, and after that you will click clear data. So then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.